How to format text messages in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open up WhatsApp on a device. Now simply open up a chat. Now to type a bold message, simply add an asterisk and type your message. Again add an asterisk and this will make your message bold. Now to type italic message, add an underscore. Again type your message. Again add an underscore. Now to make the message strike through, tap on the number symbol, go to extra symbols and add this symbol. Now type a message, again add the same symbol, again add the same symbol, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.